Hello everyone, welcome to your introduction to making great video CVs that help you set the right first impression. My name is Meera and I'll be taking you through 5 simple steps that can help you get started immediately. Point number 1, your first impression is instantly gained by how you appear. So I'm talking about dress well. Choose something that appears professional, preferably business formals. That would be the best for your first impression on a video CV. The second thing, your body language matters. Now in your body language, all that you've got to look out for is what's your facial expression like, what are your hands doing, and what is your posture doing. If you can get these 3 sorted, you're good to go. So in terms of your facial expression, have a pleasant smile on your face and make sure your eye contact is with the camera directly. After that, make sure your posture is straight and you're not slouching, bending, looking low on energy. And yes, your hands, if they're visible, that's absolutely perfect. Number 3. Choose a good location that is noise-free. Any external noise needs to be at its absolute minimum. A word of caution, don't record this inside a bathroom. The surrounding is very evident and the voice echoes. Point number 4, make sure you select a good background. A simple wall with nothing on it is also fine, but if you're trying out anything else, make sure it appears professional. And the 5th, that is your content. By that I mean what you're going to say when you're being recorded on camera. That means your words, your tone, your volume, and the emotion with which you are speaking what you are. There is another video on what to say and how to say it. Make sure you watch that to get exactly the right content for creating your video CV. In a nutshell, do get that to get the right video CV out, you will need to practice that speech several times before the final product comes out. Now let's make all of this more actionable because nothing's going to stop you from making a great first video CV.